Okay, the next chunk that you should practice is measure 10 and 11. And I'm gonna give you some suggestions. I don't necessarily expect you to just be able to play along with this video. This video is kind of a guideline for what chunks to practice, and then it gives you an idea of what it sounds like, but you're gonna need to stop the video and practice this. You might even need to chunk this twice. So you might need to just do the first part of the run and then the second part of the run, and that's fine. I might show you that too. But let's talk about where this is gonna start. I'm gonna start in measure 10. You see the measure numbers there. So it's the second measure that you've got on your page. But it's gonna be in the third beat of the measure. So it's gonna start again, just like we did last time. You're gonna start on the G 16th note, and you're gonna play it as a separate note. So we're not gonna worry about the tie before that. We're just gonna work on the little run. So I'm gonna start on that third, and I'm gonna slur it. Land, there's a grace note B flat, and then it's a C with a trill up. So we're gonna, when we end, so end on the B flat. Let's go B flat D, and do a little trill there, sort of. You don't have to do it for very long, but just so that you know, your fingers know where they're gonna go at the end of that run. Okay, so I'm just gonna slur the big groupings, the notes that are beamed together, I'm gonna slur. I'm not gonna slur over the beams. So I'll just slur them in groups of like 8 or so. 8 or 7 or, however many are there. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start at eighth note equals 32. This is as slow as my metronome goes. So this is gonna be 1 da 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 da. Those are 4 30-second notes per click. All right, so here we go. Here it is. At the beginning you can listen one time and then play with me on the second time. Here it is, and okay, and that note is way longer than that, but that's just so you know that where you're trilling to. Okay, let's do that again. You got to save your bow, even when we're breaking these bows up, it's still really slow. Here we go. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, next, I'm gonna scooch it up a little bit and go a little bit faster. All right, this is eighth note equals 40. So this is about half tempo. Well, it is exactly half tempo. Okay, so this is half tempo. 1 da 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 da. Okay, don't forget your finger patterns. All right, we start off on the D string, so we're in a pattern 3, but then we have to change to a pattern 2 when we go to the A string, back to pattern 3 on the D and G. One more time, play with me this time if you can. Sorry. Okay, finding my spot. Yeah, da 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 da. well, you've got the thing. Okay, let's speed it up. I'm going to speed it up to eighth note equals 50. Here we go. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, do it again. That tempo. Play with me. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, now I'm going to speed it up to 60. Listen once. 1, 2, yeah, da 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 da. Now play along. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, quarter note equals 70. I mean, sorry, not quarter notes. Eighth note equals 70. Here we go. 1, 2, da 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 da. Play along. Here we go. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, now this time I'm going to go to quarter note equals 80, and I'm going to do the bowings as written, since we're a little faster. Sorry, I keep saying quarter note. Eighth note equals 80. So now this is quarter note equals 40, which is the minimum speed for the that's marked on here. So this is considered tempo. Here we go. And I'm going to start up. So the first slur should be a down bow. Here we go. Here it is. 1, 2, da 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 da. So now we can actually kind of finish out the phrase because it's not like super duper slow. So let's try that one. I'm going to do that 2 more times since this is at tempo. I'm going to start with a tiny up bow and then, so play that first G, the first G with an up and then down slur. Here we go. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, so you got to listen for 6 clicks in that last B flat. Do that one more time. 1, 2, da 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 da. Okay, that's that first chunk, or the second chunk.